Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the iPhone 12 mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, first tap and heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. And then to lift the screen, need a good suction cup or something similar. In here, we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic car pry tool or triangle picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove two screws to take out the shield on the bottom and four screws to take out the shield on top. Next, disconnect the battery, earpiece assembly and two screen connector plugs. Next, take out the rear camera shield on the top right by undoing 5 screws. Next, take out the not working camera by disconnecting two connector plugs. Next, place the new back camera on the body by connecting two plugs. Next, secure the shield by adding 5 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note, this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, insert the SIM tray and place the front screen on the body. First, connect the earpiece assembly and both LCD connectors and the battery plug to the board. And also, make sure to place both shields by adding screws. Next, click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom to clamp up the phone. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Next, secure the phone by adding 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.